I am going to share one special thing about Maharashtra, that is why the state is called Maharashtra. Guys, actual thing is the name Maharashtra is believed to be originated from Rathi, which means chariot driver. Maharashtra entered the recorded history in 2nd century BC with the construction of its first Buddhist camp. According to the recorded history, the first Hindu king ruled the state during 6th century best in Badami. One more thing, that most of ports in Maharashtra were built by Chhatrapati Shivaji and his Maharashtra Empire. They include some stunning ports that stand proudly in Maharashtra. I hope you know that people living in Maharashtra are called Marathi. Now that you know something about the state, so let's take a look at the tradition, culture, costume, development of science and many more about the state.
It has a long history of Marathi saints of Parakari religious movements such as Jnaneshwar, Namdev, Chakhamela, Eknath and Tukaram, which form the one of base of the culture of Maharashtra or Marathi culture. Culture of Maharashtra. There are different culture of Maharashtra. The people living in Maharashtra spoken Marathi language. The women of Maharashtra wear Navhari sari and the men wear kurta and dhoti. Festival of Maharashtra. Gudi Padwa is the grand harvest festival of Maharashtra.
I am Shreya Sullavi Behra and now I am going to sing a folk song. So let's start. Vallabhre Rakhwa ho, Vallabhre Rama. Vallabhre Rakhwa ho, Vallabhre Rama. Hayyo re maro he Allah ho Rama. Hayyo re maro he Allah ho Rama. Aaya Baba Jila Jilinga Milai, Choli pe bhali ko nisnayi chili sari. Aaya Baba Jila Jilinga Milai, Choli pe bhali ko nisnayi chili sari. Maja ke stan ko malila phulela chapa. Vaskar malata varan ki teje parat nagan sajil mani. Kala kharun sonyache pani, nagan sajil mani. Kala kharun sonyache pani, kori gaya chili karani. Raat puna vela nachu na karte moja. Raat puna vela nachu na karte moja. Vallabhre Rakhwa ho, Vallabhre Rama. Vallabhre Rakhwa ho, Vallabhre Rama.
This is one of the picture of Khandava temple. Khandava temple holds special importance not only for its ancient origin but also for being associated with Sai Baba. It is located on the main road in Siridi. It is a picture of Bhuleshwar temple. It is also called the Shiv temple. This temple is situated on a hill and was built in 8th century. This is the most famous temple at Pune in Maharashtra. This temple is situated in the Parvati hills. This is the picture of Sri Mayoreshwar Ganpati temple. Sri Mayoreshwar Ganpati temple is considered as the most famous Ashtavinayakas of Maharashtra, and people from the world come to seek the blessing of Lord Ganpati. This is the picture of the idol of Shirdi Sai Baba temple. This temple is in Ahmednagar district, place Shirdi. It is a picture of Sri Siddhi Vinayaka Ganpati temple at Mumbai. This temple is dedicated to Lord Sri Ganesh It is originally built by Lakshman Bittu and Divai Patil on 19 November 1801, and it is one of the richest temples in India. It is the picture of Trimbakeswar Shiv Temple. Trimbakeswar Shiv Temple is an ancient temple located in the Trimbakeswar Tehsil in Nasik district. It is dedicated to Lord Shiva and it is one of the 12 Jyotirlinga. The temple has a sacred pond which is the source of the Godavari river.
Situation of COVID-19, the most affected state and city of India are Maharashtra and Mumbai. This is the graph of the COVID situation of Maharashtra. From this graph, we can see that the percent of COVID case is increasing at the rate of 15.89%. The average of increasing percent per day is 20,000. Maharashtra has followed all the guidelines given by central government, but COVID case does not stop increasing.